May naririnig na akong dog. Wala natin to for today's video. Cool. Alright, tapos on the other side, we can also put our ID or card or cellphone kasya dito. And meron din dito lagay ng coins or cash. So with that, let's go. This is day 3 of our week 3 full marathon training. Hindi ko pa kasi na-try guys mag-jogging sa road. Alam mo yung kung saan-saan makakarating, palagi ako nasa oval. This time, para I'm challenging myself na mag-jogging. Saan man ako mapadpad. It's my first time. Takot ako kasi baka mamaya meron tayong madaan ng mga grupo or mga masasamang elemento, right? Mga aso or what. Challenge to sa akin. So, let's go ahead and do that. Time check 3 a.m. Galing kami ng buffet. Natapos yung buffet 10 p.m. Tapos may pinuntahan kaming birthday party. Nakauwi kami ng bahay mga around 2 a.m. na. Nag-rest lang saglit, nag-charge ng phone. And then right now it's 3 a.m. para matagtag yung mga kinain natin sa buffet. We have a scheduled long run ng Sunday, right? So 18 kilometers on, kaya rest tayo ng Saturday. So today we have to run siguro 5 kilometers. So let's go! Okay, we're done with our warm-up. Nakapag push-ups na rin tayo. Okay, let's go ahead and hit the road. Go! 500 meters pa lang pero sakit na ng paa ko. Siguro ramdam ko pa rin yung pagod nung nag-run ako nung isang araw ng 10 kilometers. Pero siguro mawawala dito in a bit. So let's go. Almost 1 kilometer. So as you can see, sa road na tayo tumatakbo. May naririnig na akong dog. Pero let's go. Mukhang nakakulong naman sila. Ito yung unpredictable. One of the unpredictables. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadaan. Right? Pero, hanapin natin. Let's go. Oops, may tali pa. Let's go. Okay, 5 kilometers. 29 minutes and 49 seconds. 7 kilometers. Nasakit na ng paa ko. But we have to push. Kailangan matapos natin sa buwan. Kahit masakit na yung paa. Let's go! 7.5 44 minutes and 40 seconds. So feeling ko pasok pa tayo sa Sabuan. Kailangan di lumagpas lang 15 minutes. So yung last 2.5 kilometers. Let's go! 9 kilometers. Dito na tayo sa Concepcion, Marikina. And that was 10-kilometer run. A few meters away from our parking. So na-estimate natin yung 10 kilometers. Ayan, so here, dito tayo nakapark. It's time to rehydrate. That was a good one. Mas mahirap tumakbo sa road compare sa oval. Tignan nyo naman, 59 minutes and 30 seconds. Yung 10 kilometers ko dito sa road. Pero yung 10 kilometers ko pag nasa oval ako, sub 57. Right here, almost 1 hour na. Siguro, there are a lot of, factors. A lot of factors pag nasa, pag nasa road ka tumatakbo, nandyan yung, of course, kailangan mong maging aware sa paligid mo, kung mayroong sasakyan, kung mayroong aso, kung may mga taong masamang tao sa daan, right? And of course, lubak-lubak may mga daan na lubak-lubak, so you have to, yung speed mo medyo pumabagal. So I think those are some of the factors pag tumatakbo ka sa road. Unlike pag sa oval, dire-diretso lang, right? Wala kang isipin mo lang yung speed mo, yung sakit ng paa mo. Aside from that, dire-diretso lang. Kanina, tinatamad na ako kasi 3 a.m. Na kami nakarating ng bahay, parang pagod-pagod na, pero sabi ko hindi pwede, nakaschedule ako ng training today. So I'm just so happy that I'm here. Natapos ko yung training ko, so good job, self. So yun lang guys, don't forget to move, live, and inspire. Bye! Let's go! Totoo na, Bye na. Bye.